Here we have a little flick through our student cookbook, Nosh for Students. Let's go. Here's a little page on the story of how we came about to write this book. And this is our mug page, which is basically the only real measuring device that you will need for this entire book. No weighing scales here. This is a list of everything that you will need to take with you when you go to university. 10 handy hints on saving money on food. This is our app, which is a menu and shopping list app. So you just punch in whatever you want to cook that week and it spits out a shopping list. You go shopping, you buy it, you eat it. Wonderful. One of the most helpful pages, how long can I keep it before it kills me? Always a good reference page. Perfect rice every time, never fails. Then we get into the jacket potato ideas, just some things you might not have thought of. Some sandwich ideas so you don't just have the same old thing day after day. Stuff on toast and how to boil an egg. After some sauce recipes, we get into the main recipes of the book, and we start off with the fast food section. Starting off with a chicken Alfredo, which is lovely, into one of my personal favourites, the ridiculously simple beef and pasta bake. We've got some salad ideas and all sorts of things like that. We then go into the broke but hungry section, which is a lot of meals for less than £1, which is always helpful when you run out of cash toward the end of the semester. Straight into the one pot section if you don't fancy washing up, and then into our taste of home, which is the winter warming meals, maybe if you're feeling a little bit homesick. And then we've got some vegetarian recipes if you fancy going meat free. Then something for the weekend, so things that might take a little bit longer, might have to pop them in the oven, but they are always worth the wait. Our friends around section, which is great for sharing and scaling up if a few more people turn up than you expected. One of the great ways of saving money while you're at university is making your own takeaways. So we've got a few ideas for replacing some of the slightly less healthy, slightly more expensive options of eating. Cakes and cookie recipes if you've got a bit of a sweet tooth, and some gingerbread men if you fancy reliving your youth. Some scones and some red velvet cupcakes, which are always great. Into desserts, banana splits, chocolate puddings, a trifle, and new for the 6th edition, a Oreo cheesecake. Meal planners at the back, and then a lovely picture of us. That's us. Thank you.